Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and in version 2.3 there's a new feature or option for curves or the tube curve. So here, to avoid the merging of the nodes. So when you bring two nodes together, they delete one node. So this one. So this here is a lathe curve, and you see here my nodes, and when I bring it together they become red and like this. And here you see a feature. So here is a small icon when you press this, so then it stops from merging together. So, and it works for all nodes. So maybe you have here two nodes. So you see they overlap here in this view. And when this checkbox here is active here, then they become red. So then it disappears the other node. So here you find the option. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.